full figure. You were the trigger. You brought me to an obstructed view.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Tell the people them hi. Tell them hi. You're gonna tell them hi. In body see. So guys, today my friend literally texts me like probably after 10 and asks if I feel beachy, and of course I'm always feeling beachy. Worse the time hot, like extremely hot right now. I wanna reach down in the summertime. The time hot. So right now I'm going to finish getting ready and then meet up with him in Spanish Town. My niece is also coming. Zara, come let them see your face.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video, and this is not actually news.
Excuse. So guys, it is actually 12:42 right now. So I'm gonna get ready and see what time I leave out here. So tell them bye bye. Tell them bye bye. Bye. Yeah, I'm gonna read you. So guys, this is the fit for the day. Don't mind being nasty in my room, and I use this sunscreen on my skin. Guys, the vlog I continue right now. It is 1:59. I was supposed to leave from around 1 o'clock. So them say no time. So we are going to journey now. Gotta beach. So guys, we're making a quick stop to get some food. That's the Nisi right there. I'm going to as a serve, forget you. What's that? Guys, we're here at Fort Clarence. Okay. So guys, we're here as a reach right here. Careless, so reach late. Around 3 o'clock now. She finds them in the back group. Hey guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. We are in country at the longest neighborhood precinct and side. Bien. Ernie, say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Guys, we're in the country today. Guys, this is me and my friend and Mr. Bean. We're stuck in the country.
We're stuck in the country in the bushes.
Ratata.
Ratata. Well, I know Abu da me. Hi, vlog.
Cheers. So guys, we're here in the country. We're at Trelawny. We reach a long time. I see them people go back away and it's a civilization. Now my friend just drinks super over to gas.
Boss.
In the country.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. My ear looks terrible, I'm sure no. Very terrible. So my friend I got angle my ear. My friend I got angle my ear, I'm gonna show you. So stay tuned for all of that. So guys, this is the progress of my hair. Sally up on the phone. Make you bring food, come give me and give me nothing for drink.
A YouTube video you make?
Yeah girl, I ain't in I crop top the lady go. Sally, tell the vlog guys, this is the finishing product. I don't know why she rushed me.
And this is yours.
And this is my gift. I still not get my juice from when the shop open. But we move. Yeah.
So everything I put on this, so you make money?
Me put your index. I
don't even care. I don't care. Money we say.
So guys, I'm back. I just took a shower because I was so hot. Like the time hot differently. But I feel like for the whole of my summer vlog, then I gotta remind you how hot the place be. Because the place hot. Right now the fan literally directly turned to me. But open that ear, me on that ear it in the background. I try use the mic, I'm not sure if it's even connected, but we'll just go through. Understand? So I got my hair done. I braided my hair and I got a gift box because my friend was doing a deal. She's still doing the deal. It's from May 1st to May 31st. Today is May 19, 7/16 right now. So I got my gift box. It's a gift classy and cute. Guys, ensure to go over to my friend's page at Hair Glow by Stash. On the box it says thank you for everything. Have a nice day. So nice. You're welcome, friend. So we're going to pull it. I want to pull it on camera. So let's just get into it. My friend angle this. My friend angle this. I'm gonna turn on the camera so we can see what going in the box here right now. So guys, this is how the box be looking. These are what I got in it. This is a ear body raspberry petal perfume, and then I got a little body lotion with it. So I'm not even showing it properly. I got lashes, pretty lashes with it. And got that. I try for love lashes, and December I realize say I have a little love for it. So yeah, love it. I got hair clips. These are so cute. This is giving the Queen of England gave it to me. Her. I got a little cringy. Oh god, the lady angle me. And then I also got a keychain with her business scan. So if you see me on the road and I'm telling about it, don't mind me, name up finger. But when I soon up on the road, I don't want to say you don't want to go back to Hair Glow by Stash. Well, you can just scan the code and yeah, It's really cute. Hair glow by Stash. New hairstyles are always essential. So the keyring is cute. And then we have her business card right here. And she has shown what she do, where she located, and her contact number. So yeah. So that's it for the box. So guys, that's it for the box. It is so cute. I really didn't expect all of them something here. Nobody expect it. Thanks, friend. Love it. Love, love, love it. Love me some gifts. So yeah, as Musoni can go over to her business page and go follow her. You can follow her on TikTok as well. Here go by Stash. You wanna follow her everywhere, anywhere, everywhere, yeah. Right there, so that's my friend's business. Go and support her. If I could even just follow the page, yeah, she'll appreciate it. And only can book an appointment. Summer is right around the corner. So yeah, as Musoni can go over to her business page and go follow it up. Go book your appointment. She's always having these random niceness. One can just support her because it's giving into a business that's giving back to you literally. Yeah. So that's basically that for this part of the video. So good morning guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. I'm going to make this the last day of the vlog because I want to post it today, which is Saturday, May, I think it's May 26 now. My phone is fire. But anyways, on today's itinerary, I'm going into the town. I'm just drag on, I'm go to Tube Jess, Body Can Jess. I'm going into the town to pick up a few items. Yeah. And then so I'm going to the market. I'm gonna need seasoning, and also more at the supermarket. I get some other stuff. Just pick up, just like little stuff, yeah, little stuff on a budget. So that's exactly what I'm going to do today. I'm going to bring you guys along with me on the road. So yeah, we are going markets, we are going supermarkets. Yeah, me I sweat already. I put on the sunscreen. I'm already sweat it off. I can't bother. The heat is heating right now. But stay tuned. I'll pick you guys back up when I'm on the road. So guys, watch good breakfast. My sister cook porridge, you know. I never know she could have cooked porridge. I am in Jaga's car. It's giving glass bottom boat. I can see on the floor outside the road.
Glass bottom boat, guys. That's your boat. Glass bottom boat.
Friend, I see what going on.
You see it like that, but you don't see it.
People listen to appreciate the vlog. You know, say with the writers and Jago say. Jago, I wonder if the tire run about go down come money for Indian. No money for guys. No. People money for now be my company today. I'm friendless. Yeah. So I say my friend I got a market, so I'm a friend of our market stuff them already. The sun hot and Jay gonna let me a friend a plaza. Guys, I saw my friend, she bought a little machine from Cheap Fashion, the China them. And she have to go return it now because it now work.
One maker.
Why you feel like you have to do that? Oh God, we can't. The place just scale is so, but friend I couldn't expect none of different.
And the fact that the whole of it come out in a black. Like,
yeah.
we are more, no?
Why?
Me are more. Me are more. We are. I make a cocky, yes. We are more than that. No!
Guys,
I'm going to tell babe, you carried me in the sun to get me.
If I been did in the sun, because Jay left fire road.
Jigga did not leave me a road.
Jigga in the car, Jigga gonna have no tire and Jigga have hole in the car bottom.
I glass but I'm both every morning I can see girl. You just watch a girl.
But friend, we just see it different too. We're shopping today. She said I can take up anything that I want. So
You're lucky, a police will take me out here because I can't go this time. No, but we are pick up and I don't think all of we have pick up and go home.
What do you mean by that?
With us. So we'll see how that goes. Friend, I'm gonna take up my big bird.
I'm shorty.
Shorty?
You realize you don't look over that side?
Oh, over the side, a big bird. Oh, yeah.
It's up to the community.
For the community.
I'm gonna really eat bird like that either. So you want to do the drink?
But it's both of them just feel ice today.
Like what?
I think a Starbucks. You don't buy?
Yeah, I think that was probably too fun.
How about that? Friend, first of job from the agent? Then friend, you say how much? $107 under there go for?
Discount.
Discount?
94 now. I'm going to bring them shop on the road.
Can I buy a bag of bags? Why not?
Nothing wrong with bag juice, that's too much sweet. Every time I go on the drink, unless I have 3 sweets already like that, unless you want to have fruit juice.
Sweet never kill nobody.
You want to come up from a room, come for bag juice, that a year is
Yeah, because me want to get cool beverage.
that a year is still.
Cool beverage. I'll just have to put this on the bill, guys. So I see some what's up with orange one? Marsha, I'm gonna get supermarket fee. No.
Wonder why?
Yeah.
Me think you get I get supermarket here.
But you in here every 2 weeks.
Yeah,
And once a year I come in here.
once a year.
Yeah. A holiday.
An holiday now.
No, I'm my holiday I come in here.
I just be a weekend, move it.
Marsha one.
So people today are definitely not my idea. Everybody want to mash my car.
The lady say your rice are going on or something.
My makeup is today. I'm not sure if you things in your car, right?
You didn't want to say here now.
So guys, I'm back home now and I'm about to do a little miniature haul of the stuff I got while I was on the road. I'm on the floor right now and I'm about to show you guys what I got. I'm just resting to it like crazy. Alright, so in this bag I got a big bottle of tea and spicy sausages, cause why not? And then I'm gonna get water, I'm gonna start drinking on the road, and also full my water bottle. I got some stuff from the market. White no one to the sea. I'm gonna get clothes, baby. I got soap to wash, spring time and downy and cornflakes. I got cups. Yeah. I'm gonna package all of the things that I'm going to go in the fridge right after I'm showing you. I'm gonna get cornflakes. I'm gonna get for like the spinal one. Then it doesn't taste different from the regular one. It's just spinal. Got milk. Oh gosh, I'm left the tomato upstairs. As I said, I get some seasoning as well, but I leave it downstairs because I down there the other fridge there where I'm supposed to, you know. So when I go downstairs, I sort that out. That wipes. Got a stocking. Then we back them in cheap fashion. Back to regular grocery. I got some juice. I'm gonna get for like guava pines, so I'm always buying it. I got some cran juice. You know, I should have gone and pack while myself. And then I did just get them here, to be honest. Just like 3 little snack. Not too much. I got toothpaste, essential stuff, and then liner. Yeah. So that's really it for my unboxing. I don't have anything else to show you guys. So guys, that's basically it for them little miniature grocery haul. Because as I said, the other stuff them they downstairs I did buy. And yeah, I'm tired, I'm hungry. Not really hungry, but like I feel for something to eat. But I feel like for some nice Jamaican food, but I'm not gonna cook it right now. Because I'm tired. I feel too tired for that. So I'm gonna start my fridge up here and then go back downstairs and probably watch a movie. Wait, and probably bed first. Maybe bed first. Come hot. I mean I come off of the road, so why not? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Go over to my business page at boss_bags by Mix. I'm going to have a little clearance sale for you guys. You guys can go over there and support the venture, and then I have some new stock we're supposed to come in. Yeah, so just stay tuned for that. You can follow me on Instagram at Yanieki_, on TikTok at Yanieki, I think Yanieki_, and on Snapchat Yankee Bay, I think Yankee_Bay. I really need for let me check my name on Snapchat. I have 2 Snapchat now, you know, but I only use one for like Snap and put it on the other phone. Put the other phone, take it off. But yeah, it's Yankee YANKII Yankee Bay and Snapchat. Right now, focus. It not focus at all, phone. I don't know why. But anyways, yeah, Yankee Bay and Snapchat. So we're just going to pack the fridge right now and put up everything with the right here, so and then bed and go downstairs. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Follow me on all socials, and yeah, stay tuned for the other video. Bye.